Ready to dominate your gaming world? Meet the Alienware Aurora R10, the ultimate powerhouse for gamers who demand the best. Featuring the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X processor, the Aurora R10 delivers mind-blowing performance with speeds up to 4.6 GHz. Experience gaming like never before with next-level graphics powered by the NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti 8GB GDDR6. Break down boundaries with the latest DirectX 12 API, ensuring graphics more realistic than ever. Thanks to Precision Boost 2, your system intelligently optimizes CPU clock speeds, handling intense workloads effortlessly. Equipped with 16 GB of HyperX Fury DDR4 3400 XMP RAM, this machine handles multitasking with ease. Plus, the 1TB PCIe SSD ensures lightning-fast load times and ample storage for all your games and files. Stay cool under pressure with a robust cooling system featuring a 120mm intake fan and an exhaust fan on the liquid cooling radiator. This setup keeps your system running at peak performance even during the most intense gaming sessions. Running on Windows 10 Home, the Aurora R10 is ready to take your gaming to the next level right out of the box. Elevate your gameplay with the Alienware Aurora R10 gaming desktop. Break boundaries, push limits, and immerse yourself in the ultimate gaming experience. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think of the Aurora R10. Game on!